Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to create a table in SQL Server, and we'll be using the catfact breeds API endpoint as our data source. So we'll need to create a table that holds all of this data. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this just to make it easy for us. I'm going to go back. I'm going to type in create table cat facts breeds. Actually, I'm going to lowercase this. So we're going to do cat facts breeds. And it's really important to make sure that your naming nomenclature is consistent between all of your tables. So just make sure you have an idea of how you want all of your tables to be named, because if you don't, it will not be good. So we're going to type in each of these columns. So breed, and we'll just do in varchar 255. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it a couple times. I'll just copy and paste it over. Entry, remove the quotes. Origin, coat, then pattern. That's all you have to do to create the table. Now, I like to add in a couple of columns here that are just general best practices. So the first one is you need to add in an ID column. That's an integer, and you're going to make it an identity starting at 1 and incrementing by 1, not null, and make it a primary key. The second one is to add in an ETL update timestamp, which is a datetime default get date. And what this will do is basically, if you need to go back and do any debugging or look at the last time a table is loaded in, having this timestamp is super helpful. So I'd highly recommend having it in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create this table. That's how you create a table in Azure SQL Server.